Society tells us there is always gossip, jealousy, and backstabbing. It is exhausting. By keeping your circle small or non-existent, you eliminate 99% of the drama in your life. You have peace, you have mental clarity. You can focus your energy on your health, your wealth, and your purpose. So if you are watching this and you feel like an outsider, do not be sad. Do not try to fit in. The lion walks alone. The sheep flock together. Use your solitude to grow. Read books, learn skills, hit the gym. Build a life so amazing that you don't need anyone else to make you happy. And ironically, when you become this version of yourself, the right people will naturally find you. Being alone is a price you pay for being exceptional. Pay it gladly. If you are building your empire alone, hit that subscribe button. I will see you in the next video.